Hello everyone and welcome back to DET Coach's Beginner's Guide to the Duolingo English Test. In this lesson, we'll learn how to choose the exact completion when grammar leaves more than one possible word. The previous lesson showed you how part of speech narrows the field, but several real words can begin with the same letters and perform the same grammatical job. Deliver and declare, for example, are both verbs beginning with DE. Their meanings are different, so only one will fit a particular sentence. When grammar leaves two or more candidates, sentence meaning must decide. Part 1. Use a 4-step semantic filter. First, keep your part of speech decision from the sentence position. Second, find semantic clues in the action, object, setting, and logical relationship. Third, compare the exact meanings of the candidates that match the letters in grammar. A candidate can be a real word and still be wrong for this sentence. Finally, reread the sentence after completing the word. It should sound genuinely natural, not merely grammatical. This filter keeps you from accepting the first familiar word you see. Use the order: letters, word class, context, and final reread. Part 2. Apply the filter to a worked example. Consider this sentence: Maya checked the weather before choosing a jack blank for the trip. The incomplete word begins with the letters J-A-C-K. The article A creates a noun position, but grammar alone does not reveal the noun. Now connect the clues: weather, choosing, and trip. Together, they describe selecting clothing for a journey based on the conditions. Jacket is an item of clothing and matches the given letters. Jackal is also a noun beginning with jack, but its meaning conflicts with the situation. The natural answer is jacket, because the letters, grammar, and clue network all agree. Next, consider: we bought fruit at the outdoor Mar blank near the station. The incomplete word begins with M-A-R. The article, the, and the adjective outdoor create a noun position. Market and marker are both 6-letter nouns beginning with M-A-R. So the grammatical position and word length cannot separate them. The action bought fruit points to a place where goods are sold. The word outdoor confirms the setting. Marker is a real noun, but it names an object rather than a place to buy fruit. The sentence meaning selects market. Now compare two more examples where grammar is not enough. The courier will blank the package before noon. Courier and package show an action of taking something to its destination. Deliver fits that meaning, while declare means to announce something. The clue pair selects deliver. Now consider another incomplete word. Everyone understood because the speaker explained the rule, beginning with CLE. The blank modifies explained, so the sentence needs an adverb. Everyone understood points to an understandable manner of explanation. Clearly fits, while cleanly is a real adverb with the wrong meaning here. Part 3. Use the full decision process every time. Do not accept a word merely because it can occupy the grammatical position. Check that it preserves the opening letters you were given. Check that its part of speech fits the sentence position. Then test its exact meaning against the action, object, setting, and logic. Reread the completed sentence and ask whether a fluent speaker would naturally choose that word. If a familiar candidate conflicts with the context, reject it. In the jacket example, weather, choosing, and trip create a clear travel and clothing situation. Now complete the lesson practice by using context to decide among meaning-based candidates. Keep the order simple: letters, grammar, meaning, and a natural final sentence. I'll see you in the next lesson.